Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. Okay, so first I'll show you how you can transfer the data from your old device into your HUAWEI. Then I'll show you how to restore the backup from HUAWEI Cloud. Then how to do it by using the external storage drive. And then I'll show you how to restore the backup using the HiSuite app. So let's begin. Select your language and click on Get Started. Select your region and then click on Continue. Select that you agree. If you want, you can insert your SIM card. It's not necessary to do it right now, of course. Now select your network and connect to it. I'll just type the password. Then click on Connect. Okay. Then click on Continue. Click on Continue once again. Now we need to activate the device. I need to type the password to my HUAWEI account. It appeared to me because I have just resetted this device. You won't have it if you are setting your phone for the first time. Okay, now we can select the face unlock and also the lock screen. If you want to set it, you can do it right now. It's not necessary. You can always do it later, just like me. You can select parental controls. I don't want it, so I'll skip it. Now scroll down and click on Continue. And now, if you want, you can log into HUAWEI ID right now, but it's not necessary. We can always click that we don't have the HUAWEI ID and do it later, or create a account right now. Okay, scroll down, click on Next. Now we have the enchanted services. I'll always enable them. We can join the user improvement program. We can enable the location services. Okay, and now we have the thing that we are interested in. Data import. First, let me show you how to transfer the data from your previous device. Also, when it comes to the HUAWEI Cloud, you don't need to restore the backup during the setup process. You can always do it later after your device is set up. Actually, I'll show you how to do it already when our device is set up. So don't worry, it is really easy. But if you would like to restore during the setup process, you can do it right now, right in here. Okay, but first, we want to move from another data. Click on Agree. Select all device type. I'm using the Android. And now we need to scan this code using our previous device. Okay. Click on Continue. I need to install the phone clone app. You'll have to do it also. Okay, file downloaded. Also in the settings, I need to allow to download from the source, then click on Install. Install anyway. Okay. Okay, let's open up the app. Click on Agree. On our HUAWEI, let's click on Allow when in use. Let's allow for everything. Click on OK. On your previous device, this is the old device. Also allow for everything. I also need to give the permission for okay, when it comes to that, it's not possible. Okay, and now we need to scan this code. Okay, now both devices should connect to each other. Now click on Connect. Okay, and now on our previous device, we need to select what we want to transfer. So in my case, I want everything except my apps. Then click on Transfer. Click on Transfer once again. Okay, transfer complete. You can click on Finish. Now select your navigation mode. You can use gestures or buttons. It's up to you. I'll use gestures. Click on Finish. On our previous device, we can click on OK. We won't be needing it anymore. Click on Try Now. And now we are ready to use our device. Alright, that was the first method. Now I'll show you how to restore the backup from HUAWEI Cloud. Okay, to restore the backup from HUAWEI Cloud, we need to open up the settings. You need to be logged in into your HUAWEI ID. Then click on your name. Click on the cloud. Now select your backup that you want to restore. In my case, I want that one. So select it. Now click on Manage Backup Data. And select Restore Data. Select your backup. Now select what you want to restore. Then hit the button down below. Click on Restore. Click on OK. And now the process has started. So I'll see you once it's done. Okay, the data has been restored, so we can click on OK. Now, the third option, how to restore from external storage drive. Open up the settings, scroll all the way down, System and Updates, Backup and Restore, Data Backup, and let's select external storage. First, we need to allow for everything. Now, in my case, I'm using the USB, so I need to plug it in. Okay, the USB storage should appear. And now select Restore from Backup. And select what things you want to restore. Then hit the button. Enter the password that you have set before during the backup process. Click on OK. And it's almost finished. Of course, in my case, it's taking really not really long because I didn't copy my apps, only the system settings. So that is why it's so fast. Okay, 97%, 98, 99, and it has been restored. Okay, and now I'll show you how to restore the backup from HiSuite. So I'll see you on my desktop. Okay, I have launched the HiSuite app, and now we need to connect our phone into PC or computer. I don't know what you are using. Using USB-C cable. So simply connect devices to each other. And now we need to select Use USB to transfer files. And we need to click on OK to allow connection via HDB. Okay, now in your app, click Continue. Click on Agree. Click on Agree once again. Now allow for everything. Now select not that. Click on Allow. And now we need to type this code in our app. Okay, now click on Connect. Okay, our device appeared, as you can see. And now we need to select Restore. That's this button. Click on Allow on your device. Click on OK. Click on Restore once again. Now select what you want to restore, and then hit the button. Type the password that you have set before. And click on OK. OK, the process has started, so now we need to wait until everything is restored. %, almost done. OK, it has been finished, we can click on Done, and now our backup has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.